today I'm going to be unhacking life hacks, okay? I know you guys always see so many videos or whatever on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube definitely, about life hacks. But some of these that I see, like you could just literally buy a thing that's already made for it. So it's just kind of like, what are we doing? I'm going to be unhacking a video from 5 Minute Crafts, and it's called, what is it called? It's called 34 Smart Hacks to Make Your Life Even Easier. And I can guarantee some of these really, like, you don't need to do any of this. Like, you can just buy a thing and it's done. So this one, she could just literally not walk on the grass. Like, how difficult is that? There's clearly, this sidewalk clearly exists longer than what they're showing. Just walk on the sidewalk, lady. You could just literally go buy a pincushion. Like, they're not that expensive, maybe $2.50 something. Like, they even come in a set with the sewing materials and whatever. It's not that expensive, okay? Also, who drinks this much wine? Like, why do these people have this many corks? Like, this is a lot of corks. The issue with this one, I mean, this one is actually a cute idea. This little paperweight, not paperweight, this little photo paperweight kind of thing. It's very cute, but like, as soon as any wind wafts by it, it's already fallen over. The bottom is not that stable and it's not that heavy. A cork is like so freaking light. What? They just get a, what do you call it? An oven mitt, that little square oven mitt thing, and then put your hot items on it. Why do you need to ruin a photo frame and put billions of corks inside of it to do this? What a waste. Look, just sweep it up normally, okay? Sweep your hard floors every day if you think you're gonna drop stuff like this. Don't make this, okay? Stop. Get some help. No. Wait, who has cement laying around like this? First of all, how is this fan all the way out here? Where's the cord at? Like, I mean, I see the cord, but like, how did they're using an extension cord. And if that's the case, they're gonna set their house on fire because they just put a water hose on top. I doubt that the water hose is actually doing that with the fan. This is just tacky. They sell bag savers at the store. You can get it at Walmart or at Target or pretty much anywhere else that sells organization stuff for the kitchen. Like, you can really readily find these anywhere. And you can just put the bags inside of the bags, just do that. Like, that's easier, and you don't have to use a box cutter and a conveniently empty Coca-Cola bottle that you didn't already throw away. Like, no one's sitting around chugging this stuff just to be like, yeah, let me make a bag dispenser. Not me. What kind of dummy just goes in at this angle? Like, if you know how to do some stuff with this thing, if you have it at the slightest wrong angle, like, you're over, you're done. Like, you are the food you are making. And she's just going like, okay. No, that was that video. Like, oh my goodness. Like, I get it. It's 5-minute crafts. Like, you're crafting stuff, but none of this stuff in here that I've seen, at least, takes 5 minutes to make. So, like, how is this smart or make your life easier? Like, I don't get it. I'm just so confused. If you like this sort of video, maybe I'll do some more, but you gotta tell me in the comments below. How am I supposed to know what you want if you don't say anything? And I will see you guys later. Bye. Subscribe.